Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Solve business problems using analytics. So in this video, we are going to see that how we can write a program to replace all occurrences of A with dollar in a string. So let's get started. So first of all, declaring a variable as string and taking input from user. So here I am taking an input from user. So user just have to enter the string he want to convert. So I'm writing here as apple, enter. And the next step is to replace this a letter with some symbol. So let's see that how we can write the program for that. So I'm once again calling this variable and writing a replace function for this. So what this replace function will do is Python has a property called replace. So replace will just replace some alphabets or symbols or characters with some different characters. So you have to specify two characters here. One, the character which we want to replace, and the second is the character with which you have to replace. So I'm replacing a here. So I'm typing a, specifying a here, and we will replace this a with dollar. Same, you have to do this for a capital A also, because user might enter small a or capital A of his own choice. So write a function for this also. After this, let's just print our output here. So run this, and as you can see that the modified string here is apple, and the a letter has been replaced with dollar here. So in this way you can replace any character or alphabet with some different character or symbol. Suppose I am entering here a capital A, apple, like this. Then also this is replacing with the dollar sign, as you can see. So in this way you can write a program to for different characters also. So if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Solve business problems using analytics. So in this video we are going to see that how we can remove the nth index character from a non-empty string using Python. So let's get started with this. So first of all, you have to create a function to remove the nth index from a string. So here I am creating a function as remove and passing the variables as string and the nth value which you want to remove. So after this, you have to specify the count in the string. So what this line will do is, if user has entered a value as suppose 3, so it will count the string index uh, from 0 to 3. So this will count up to 3 as user has entered the value as 3. And again I'm going to call this second variable, declare second variable as last. So basically it will count the value which user has entered as after the nth value. Suppose I want n plus 1. So what this line will do is, it will count if user has entered the value as 3, so it will count after 4. If as n plus 1 is specified here, so n is the value of n is 3, so 3 plus 1 is 4. So that's why it will count after the fourth index. So let's just return the function. First plus next. So after this, let's just call the string from the user. So user has to enter a string and the nth index value which he wants to remove. Enter the string and here I'm calling the index value. So after this, let's just print our output. So our output will be the modified string, and basically the function which we are declaring here, it will give us the output. So let's just copy paste it and just let's just see what it is giving us the output. Sorry, my bad. I think I've done some mistake here. Yeah. So let's just enter the string hello, and let's just enter the index which you want to remove. Suppose I'm giving the index as 2. So as you can see that the second index from the string has been removed here. So basically what this program will do is it will count the value from here. So h will be 0 index, e will be 1, l will be 2, and the second l will be 3, and this will be 4. So in this way the counting will be done, and the index which user has specified here, suppose the user has specified the index as 2, so the second index has been removed from this string. So in this way you can remove any index value from a string. Suppose I am again once again running this program and just specify the hello world hello world and specify the index as 4. So as you can see here that the last value has been removed. So the index for o is 4. As if you count from 0 to 4. So in this way the index has is removed from the string. So if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.